Good morning, everyone. I see everyone's here. Good. So let's just get it started. First, I will talk about the agenda of this meeting. So we'll have a brief introduction of the project and we'll talk about the project objectives. And then we will introduce the team structure, the project roles, and the responsibilities. And last but not least, we will introduce the project stages and timelines. First, the project introduction. If you can look at the maps on the right side, you can see it very clearly. There are two boxes. The green one is for the building property we already have, and which is leased to Uber and Argo AI. That's our big success, and we want to continue to expand our success further. This is what this project for. In the yellow box, we will invest and develop 11 acres of mixed-use spaces, which would include 5 office buildings, 150,000 square feet of retail facility, and also 2 residential buildings with 350 units. And this project objective the ultimate objective is to attract high-tech and professional service companies or clients. And in order to do that, we will try to build high-end residential spaces and develop a modern working environment by combining the retail ecosystem and also achieve a full service community. And as you can see in the green circle, we already have a contract with Facebook, Gibson Dunn, which is top 10 law firm in the States, and also very famous manufacturer, Honeywell. And our goal is to keep attracting those very famous type of high-tech company. Maybe one day we will lease our office building to Apple or even Netflix and Google. So next, about the team structure. So as you can see here, we have a 4 level of team structure for the top management. And Mark, Tom, Jeff, and Sarah, you will report to me directly about the project progress in each of your own department. And I will report the overall progress to the CEO and also the budget control to CFO David. And we have another level, which is DAG. You are responsible to report all the construction progress to Sarah, or you can even report to me for any special conditions. And as we move to further details, Steve, our CEO, he will be responsible for oversee the overall project and giving me the instructive opinion on the project. And me, I will be responsible for the overall project control and the planning and also the monitor of the project progress. And Mark, you're responsible for the internal communications and also the external public relation and media relations. And for Tom, you are our best salesman. You will be responsible for negotiating big contract with companies, for example, like Netflix, we just mentioned. And Jeff, you're responsible for pre-construction operation design, and you're also responsible for the post-construction operation maintenance. And Sarah, you'll be doing the project detail control and report the updates to me. And you're also responsible for the project resource allocation, and also monitoring the project progress in some details. And Zach, you are responsible for the construction site coordination and also the material supplies control. And last but not least, David, you will be responsible for the budget control and the financial risk control. And of course, I will report to you about the budget on a daily basis. So next, I'll introduce the project stages and the timeline of the project. Basically, we'll have 3 stages: the pre-development stages, the construction stages, and the operation stages. And as you can see in the bottom graph, so during the pre-development stages, we will issue some pre-leasing contract to our potential clients, and also we will deal with the construction financing, and we will have the detailed construction breakdown plan initiated, revised, and completed. And also we will have the vendors planning, and all this needs to be done by September 16. And then we will have the construction stage, which is our longest stage. And all those needs to be done by April 16, 2019. And then we will have construction stage. So during the construction stage, we will have project marketing and also more pre-leasing contract to the outside. So construction stage will need to be done by September 16. And then we will have the operation stage. Operation stage includes the designing and the planning. And during this stage, we will have ongoing marketing and leasing, and we will try to find more buyers and also ramp up the property management during this stage. So this stage should be done by April 20, 2022. And that concludes everything we need to know for this kickoff meeting. Please, if there's any questions, feel free to ask after this meeting, and that's it. Thank you guys for attending the meeting.